अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। अखुकुम मोहम्मद ज़ुबैर। मेरे भाइयों, दोस्तों को, बुज़ुर्गों, उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगे। Just another day in Karachi, city of light where there is no light. Alhamdulillah, everything is going on well. So yeah, today another day in a daily vlog in Karachi. So yeah, I wanna show you another snack uh, which is eaten here in Karachi in the evening with tea. So yeah, having my evening tea here. Here is one of the best biscuits, the nation's favorite, by Peak Friends, and the original Super. I release you guys. This is quite the small one, but this tastes amazing, and I'm gonna be opening it and give it a try. Just amazing. Some of the snacks. This in Dubai is available in Pakistani supermarket in Dubai. It's just amazing. Let me get it. Wow, just amazing with tea in a fine evening in Dubai, in Karachi. Amazing. So guys, whenever you get the chance, give it a try in Dubai. Go to ask for Super Biscuits. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for today. Just amazing. Have a good day ahead. Take care. Your brother Akhukum Muhammad Zubair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.